Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a page to another workspace in Notion. Whether you're reorganizing your projects, collaborating with different teams, or you just want to keep things tidy across multiple workspaces, this quick guide will walk you step by step through transferring your page with zero hassle. By the end, you'll be able to confidently move any Notion page to a new workspace without losing track of your info or workflow. Let's jump right in. Alright, so here where we start. Open up Notion and navigate to the page you'd like to move. Now take a look in the top right corner of your screen. You're looking for those three little dots. Clicking on these opens what's called the More Options menu. If you've ever wondered where all the special commands hang out, that's the spot. Give it a click. Inside this menu, you'll see a variety of choices. Find the option that says Move To. Don't be afraid to poke around if you don't see it instantly. Sometimes Notion arranges things subtly depending on your window size or settings. Once you've found it, select Move To and Notion will pop up a drop-down menu. Here's an important detail, that drop-down menu. It's showing you all the possible places you can send your page, including your own workspace, shared workspaces, or even team folders. What you want to look for is the other workspace where you'd like your page to live. Scroll down and you should see the name of your alternative workspace listed below all your usual pages. It might not immediately jump out at you, so take a second to scan the list. For example, if you're part of multiple professional projects, you'll see those workspace names here, just like switching rooms in a giant office building. Click on the workspace you want, and when you do, Notion is going to prompt you before anything gets moved. Here, why when you send a page between workspaces in Notion, the app will create a copy, essentially a duplicate, in the new destination. This system helps preserve all your original content, so you don't have to worry about accidentally deleting something or sending it somewhere you didn't mean to. A dialog box will appear saying something like, "This action will duplicate your page." At this point, Notion needs you to confirm that you're okay with making a duplicate. You'll see a button that reads, "I understand duplicate." Click it. Think of it as checking off a tiny agreement. Notion wants to be absolutely sure you're making an intentional move. So go ahead and select it. That's it. Your page will now show up in the destination workspace, ready for you to use, edit, or share as needed. Sometimes this part takes a moment, so don't worry if you notice the page spinning or loading. And if you had lots of subpages lurking under the main one, they'll come along for the ride too, just like moving a whole folder between computers. And with that, you've successfully transferred your Notion page. If you made a duplicate by accident, you can always go back and delete the extra later. Notion keeps things gentle and forgiving. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up to let me know. Drop a comment below if you have questions about transferring pages, or if you've run into any tricky situations while using Notion. Hit subscribe for more clear, practical Notion tutorials and tips, and I'll see you in the next video.